Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add the pixel art effect to your videos in CapCut. So here, I'm going to just go to effects and click on the video effects. Now just click on the search column and type in the keyword pixel art. Click on enter, and here is this is the pixel art effect. So click on the effect and your video will turn like this. You can adjust the color, filter size, amount, and also atmosphere. Here I'm going to change it like this. Click on a check icon and that's it. The pixel art effect will be applied to your clip. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.